On April 30th at the Berkshire Hathaway shareholders meeting, Warren Buffett had some interesting comments about Bitcoin, including the now famous quote that he wouldn't buy all the Bitcoin in the world for $25. Now, it's hard to say if the Bitcoin world took these comments seriously, but the cryptocurrency did break almost 3% after the comments, and it sparked a social media debate about what Bitcoin actually is. Now, some maintain that it's a fiat currency proxy and may eventually take over some of the dollar's function, while others view Bitcoin as a risk asset that will remain correlated to the NASDAQ. Now, that NASDAQ correlation remains directionally intact, but has changed a bit in recent weeks. Since April 12th, the NASDAQ is down 8.2% and Bitcoin is down less than 2%. Of course, this is a small sample and minor divergences have happened before, but it definitely seems worth monitoring. Now, technically, Bitcoin has remained in a pretty tight range in most of 2022, spending almost all of its time between $45,000 on the upside and $35,000 on the downside. If a trader believes that Bitcoin is poised to head higher, perhaps on a risk asset rebound, they could express that by buying the May micro Bitcoin futures contract at 39,060 and target a return to December congestion area of 50,000. Stop for this trade could be placed below support at 34,000. This trade could make $1,094 if your target is reached and risks 506 if you're stopped out at your level. Now, if a trader believes that Bitcoin is headed lower and will soon break support, they could express that by selling the May micro Bitcoin futures contract at 39,060 and target June of 2021 lows at 30,000. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 42,000. This trade could make $906 if your target is reached and risks 294 if you're stopped out at your level.